While other solutions, freelancers or your in house team, take weeks to build an entire campaign, I'm going to show you how you can use Sway to build an entire funnel end to end from beginning to the end in under 10 minutes without needing to hire any team or pass anything to freelancers because AI these days can do an amazing job. And when I say end to end, I mean literally everything. Like on this example campaign, I have email outreach where AI generated the emails for me and the follow ups. And not just that, it also created the list for me from prospects for this campaign. I'm targeting accountants who wants like marketing. And I can even add to my list if I want. I just tell AI who they are, and then AI goes ahead and finds more prospects for me for this list. And it build and run ads. And for this one, you probably see one of these ads. And also, it kind of built this video for me as well, which like- which is magnificent. And not only Facebook, the AI can run ads for you on Google, LinkedIn, Microsoft, and soon to be Spotify. And without you really needing to learn any of these platforms because AI knows it inside out for you. And also social media planner, social media management. It creates a marketing playbook for your customers, and then creates spot on images and videos and also text based on how your customers like their social media posts to be. And also it builds landing pages, which is really great because the messaging is completely consistent across the whole funnel. And as a marketing agency, you understand how much that can help the kind of conversion out of this funnel. And not any landing pages, it builds absolutely beautiful landing pages as well. Easily drag and drop if you need to do any modification. Usually don't need to, it's 99% on point. um, and with all these bits and bobs that you can add variations, like for Christmas make a campaign for this and that, so you can even increase the conversion that ends. And also AI sales agents where they can just book the customers, qualify them and book them into your customer's calendar, which you have a calendar system here. Also is an AI powered calendar, so the entire thing is very very seamless. But let me show you how I promised to show you how to build this one in under 10 minutes. Also, before I get to that one, I'd like to let you know that it just doesn't build, it optimizes it for your customers over time as well. So every day it comes back with suggestions in lab where you can just go and implement them within few clicks, or you can just say auto apply and the AI applies them for you until the campaign reaches at least 300% return on investment for your customer. And that is when the customer is happy and not without much really work on you. Also on asset side, this is where you can do like the asset management. You can create videos here, just the one that I showed you in the ads, and you can create images. And don't worry, AI again will sort it out. It knows which image is for what and for when. And when you build landing pages or social media or ads, it will just use the appropriate images that they have here, or it just creates one and then based on the customer's guideline. We also have a CRM within this system that you don't need to do manual segmentation anymore. So all the um, traditional CRM benefits are here, but AI just goes and runs it for you. So it just creates a description for each separate contact, where they are from, are they scraped, or which funnel they are from, which touch points, and all the good stuff. And based on that, it just manages and kind of segment them all for you. But without any further delay, I promised you 10 minutes. Let's get to this one. All I need to do really in plain English, I just need to tell AI who I want to target. So I say, or just what I want, like it can be improve my SEO, it can be really in those lines. But what I can say, for example, this one I'm going to say um, um, more or more leads from digital agencies located in New York, New York City, and boom, I just need to create with AI, and now AI gave me a name for that campaign, knows the goal of the campaign, and also knows who the target audience are. I can go a bit like deeper into this take and say, okay, digital agencies with 1 to 10 headcounts, but you get the idea. And here you just tell them how how like what problem of that particular customer we are solving, and that's it. AI has created all this. I just need to confirm, and the next step is also it is going to generate a customer avatar for me, which is magnificent. This is something that would traditionally again take us like about few days to collect information to find out who their target audience really is. But here, for each campaign, we create a separate customer avatar to make sure not only the messaging, but everything, the entire thing is built around this customer avatar. And what's amazing here is also you can choose the language of the customer avatar. So all the assets, including ads, landing pages, everything is built with that language and around that language. So here we go. I have my customer avatar here, digital agency owner, and I can just read that, all that. I can like add things if I want to, because I know my business better than anybody else, including AI at this stage. But this AI now knows my business so much better than anybody in the team. But imagine if your customers are a dentist, all you need to do is just introduce your customers first to the system, and then it just AI goes and finds out about their business. So it can just give you answers like this, and the campaign can be whitening or anything, but the process is the same. And now I just click suggest strategies, and this is where it really all comes together. The AI goes to our pre-trained model that is trained over 13,000 successful campaign, and when I say successful, I mean 300% plus ROI, and then finds the best strategy based on this customer avatar and who we are, and puts it all together to come up with the three best strategies that it finds that can bring me or your customers like the best outcome, the best ROI. And all I'll need to do really after that is just click build this campaign, and then it builds the entire thing as I just showed it to you. But um, let's go and see what it's gonna come up with. Here we go, success. I'm not gonna really go and read them one by one because they are long. But if you're my customer, for example, I can just create request approval and then send this approval to you, send this campaign to you. You will see it, and if you like it, you can approve it. And then I can just come and click build this campaign. Comfort time, tada, this is the campaign. I can go ahead from here, I can just go ahead and um, add like more traffic apps. We call them apps within this platform. I can add ad launcher. I can add social media planner, and also on conversion side, I can add booking agent, and then it's all done. Here is my full funnel, and any of them that I click, AI just goes and builds it based on the landing page. And here we go. So I hope you really enjoyed this one. And the times are changing, the times have changed, and a lot of things that we used to do manually is not really necessary to do manual anymore. As you can see, we can run entire marketing campaigns really within minutes. And imagine like giving customers this type of service with this quick turnaround, and then it just goes and again optimize it for them, and you give them magnificent results. So I wish to see you on the other side.